This is how you properly apply the rat's tourniquet. Time is of the essence, so tourniquet first, then call 911. Because if you're dead, you can't make that call anyway. You're gonna take your tail and run it through that loop from the factory to make a big loop. That large loop is gonna go over the leg or arm. You have to pull against the material on that 3-finger loop. And I'm stretching it. I'm putting a lot of pressure to stretch this vulcanized material. And as I wrap, I put the wraps parallel to one another. I'm basically stacking them 1, 2, 3 going down. This is the part that tucks into the cleat. There's no twisting involved with this style of tourniquet. I'm not gonna twist this cleat or anything else. The stretch of the material itself and getting it on nice and tight, that's what creates that occlusive pressure, not twisting anything. That's a different style of tourniquet. And that is how you apply the rat's tourniquet.